Assalamu alaikum. Now the correct way to perform ruqyah to your child or to your children is the following. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ in Sahih Al-Bukhari, the hadith of Ibn Abbas, he used to do this for Al-Hasan Hussein, who were his grandchildren. He used to say that Ibrahim ﷺ used to do this for Ismail and Ishaq. Say, أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من كل شيطان وهامة ومن كل عين لامة. I seek Allah's refuge, Allah's protection with His perfect words from every shaitan, and the word hamma means from every poisonous thing. ومن كل عين لامة, from every bad eye means from everything that will cause you insanity. He used to also recite Surah Al-Falaq and Surah Al-Nas, which are called the two surahs that protect a person. You can do this in two ways. When you're reciting it, you can wipe it over the body at the same time. قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِرَبِّ الْفَلَقِ مِنْ شَرِّ مَا خَلَقَ وَمِنْ شَرِّ غَاسِقٍ إِذَا وَقَبَ, and so on. Or recite it on your hands, قُلْ أَعُوذُ بِالْفَلَقِ وَرَبِّ النَّاسِ, and then blow it, and then wipe it over the body as much as you can reach, inshallah. Yeah?